Hey YouTube, this is Project Bomb Deactivation, and in this video, we're going to be making this. Bad news, that oddly shaped object sitting next to you is a bomb. Oh, and it's set to explode. Which wire will you clip, red, green, or black? And then if we pick the right wire, it will be like, yay, you picked the right wire. And if we didn't pick the right wire, it'll be like, you lost. So if I pick red, oops, wrong wire, explosion! And then if we pick the right wire, I believe it was green. Okay, you can stop shaking. The bomb has been deactivated. Okay, let's build it. Let's open up idle. 3.6. File. New file. And let's start off by doing a little intro. We can expound on this in a second to be the other one. Well, right now we'll just say, like, which wire do you clip? Which wire do you clip? Red, green, or black. There we go. And then we want to get the user's input, so let's put a variable called answer, make it set input, set its value to input, and I'm going to save this in my scripts as a bomb stopper. So now what we want to do is we want to say if the color is equal to, let's say our winning color is red, okay? So if the user typed in red, then we want to tell the user that they won. And if they didn't type in red, then we want to tell them that they lost, okay? So how we can do that is we can use an if statement. What? An if statement. Okay, so if answer equals string red, then print you won, right? Okay, let's run this and see what happens, right? So which wire do you clip, red, green, or black? If we choose red, it says you won, and let me close this off. And if I type something other than red, let's say green, then it doesn't do anything. Okay, so what's going on here is it's going through here. It says is answer. So at first it's saying printing off this, and then it's going to ask the user for some input, and then it's going to say is answer equal to red, and if it is, it's going to do everything that's indented right here until it stops being indented. And then if it's not, it's going to skip over all of the indented part and just go down to where it's not indented anymore. So now if we hit print, so if we hit print done, right, what it's going to do is if it's true, it's going to print off you won, and then it's going to go down here and it's going to print done too. And if it's not true, if answer is not equal to red, it's going to skip over the print one, but it's still going to print done, okay, because it's not indented. And now it is, now it's not. So now, right now, since it's indented, it's going to print, if this is true, it's going to print U1 and done. And if it's not true, it's not going to print U1 and it's not going to print done. It's going to skip all the way down to right here. And it's not going to do any of them. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So now what we can do is, because we want to print they lost, if they lost too, so we can say else print you lost. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so this is going to say if this is true, then do this. And if it's not true, then we're going to skip over this. We're not going to do that, but we are going to do this. Okay, so if it's true, it'll do this, and if it's false, it'll do this. Okay, and then whether it's true or false, it's still going to print done. Oop, it's still going to print done at the very end. Okay, yeah, so let's run this. Run module. Which wire do you clip, red, green, or black? Let's choose black. You lost, done. And if we choose red, you won, and then done. Okay. Pretty cool. Now let's get rid of this done here. And let's swap around these for something more suitable. And I'm going to do it really fast by right about now. Okay, that was easy. Yeah. Uh, I'll resize this so you guys can see everything. Type it out if you want to. Yeah, so let's run it. Let's see what this guy can do. Source must be saved. Yes, save it. Bad news that oddly shaped object finished was a bomb. Oh, and it's set to explode. Which wire do you clip? Red, green, or black? Red. Okay, you can stop shaking. The bomb has been deactivated. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and experiment. Have fun. Um, especially with the if statements. Yeah, use a lot of them, and see you in the next video. Bye.